Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, it's nearly Halloween while I'm doing this, so I thought I'll show you how to draw a spooky house. We can have it kind of on a hill. Oh, that's not a very good pen. Let's go up a bit like that and up a bit like that. So we want this sort of curve like that. And take that out a little bit to create it as a kind of a roof. That will come back in a triangle-y kind of thing, and we'll continue that up there. Then we want to go up and up, and then come down a little bit like that. And we'll go across there. Then we want a little kind of a tower up there, and a little tower going on up there as well. And then we're going to have a kind of a round window up there. Now down here we can draw a window, and here we can draw a window, and it doesn't matter if it all goes a bit wonky because it's a spooky house. Okay, and there's a front door, and here we're going to have a little kind of arched window on the side like that, and then you can draw kind of window frames, and it doesn't matter if you go over the edge because we're going to shade it all in. We want two there, don't we? 1, 2, 3, like that. And we'll put a line and a cross and a line and a cross, and then we'll have the door here like that and like that, and maybe the door handle. Here we're going to want upstairs windows, so make them go right the way sort of across the middle there like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then one across. And then here we're going to want a window up there and a window up there, and we can put just a cross in those ones so they're not quite so big. And we can bring that line up a little bit like that, and out, and then up to the top to create a little triangle-y roofy kind of thing. Same here, sideways, up and sideways, and then a triangle-y roof. In this one, we're going to have a circle-y window with a circle in the middle, and up and down and across, and then come out a little bit each side, and then go all the way around like that. We can maybe have a bit of grass like that across there. I think that a bit better. I think that line like that going across there, and I think we might need an old-fashioned TV aerial, and maybe a new one like that as well, or a more current one. And I'm getting this from my book, How to Draw Halloween Stuff Real Easy, which you can get from the links below, either as an ebook or as a real book from Amazon. So all we need to do now is do some wonky chimneys on the side like that. Little box there, and then those are the kind of chimney pots. And we'll have another sort of wonky chimney like that. A little box there, and then you want your chimney pots kind of like that as well. And sometimes you want a little kind of hat on the chimneys as well, don't you? On the chimney pots to make them look like chimney pots. Then all you need to do is magically shade it all in, and then put some lights behind it. And there you go, how to draw a haunted house for Halloween. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.